Good evening, sir. Welcome to Chez Lamb. May I take your order, please?
Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your little cousin, your brother, your nephew. It's your family member. It's Kirk.
Wait, I don't quite understand what's going on. I asked you what you would like to eat.
No, I know I just gotta start every conversation like this. What's up, everybody? It's your little nephew. It's your cousin. It's your family member.
Sir, we really don't have time for this tonight. If you could just order the food. The kitchen's really busy tonight. Just please come.
Well, brother, I don't really see anybody in here tonight. Plus, you interrupted me again, so now I gotta start over. I gotta get this out. What's up, everybody? It's your little nephew. It's your cousin. It's your little brother.
Sir, I'm sorry. This is absurd. I mean, if you're not gonna be ordering any food tonight, I'm gonna have to...
No. I didn't say I wasn't ordering. What I said was I have to begin a certain way. But now you done interrupted me again, so... To all my people in the struggle, you think God's forgotten about you. Here's some pain medicine. Let's go.
Good evening, sir. What seems to be the problem?
It's no problem. I'm just trying to make my order.
Actually, sir, there is a problem. I keep trying to take this gentleman's order, but every time I try, he just gives this... He starts with this speech I don't quite understand.
Is this true?
Yes.
No.
What's up, everybody? It's Kev on stage. Come subscribe to my YouTube page. Don't you be bitter. Just follow me on Twitter. What's up, everybody? It's Kev on stage. Come subscribe to my YouTube page. Don't you be bitter.